What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle Bradshaw and welcome to MotoCity. A week from today, we're going to be hosting our annual fall open house. There's going to be free food, there's going to be beverages, there's going to be vendors here giving out raffle tickets so you guys can win amazing raffle prizes. Now, one of those prizes is going to be a shotgun from Four Peaks Imports. Super cool gun from our buddies over there at POF.
Yeah, like this thing is
Wow.
super duper badass. So this is a 12 gauge shotgun, but we also worked with a company called Van Comp in Prescott. So Van Comp was the guy who started this design of this porting in the barrels. So it makes the gun just shoot really flat, really soft, really accurate. You know, so you have an extended cone in here. There's no choke on this shotgun. Like this thing, you cannot grab a shotgun and shake it without it making noise. This doesn't make noise.
Solid.
Like this thing is just absolutely perfect, very clean. Like it's just an amazing shotgun.
Now, POF USA is an Arizona-based company. They're just down the street from our shop here, and just this last year, they opened a new division of their organization. It's called Four Peaks Imports, and they're importing stuff that we just typically can't get here in the USA. And with our supply chain issues that we're currently having, looking to other markets is obviously an important thing to do. Anyway, they've given us one of their shotguns to be able to raffle off so that you guys can take part of that new venture. So next Saturday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., we're gonna be hosting an open house for you guys. We're gonna have hot dogs, food, drinks, vendors are gonna be here. It's gonna be super, super fun. Now, in order to win that grand prize, you're gonna have to be present. So make sure you come on back to the shop after you've come and taken your fill of everything that we have to offer here at MotoCity Powersports. Again, you need to be present to win that shotgun, but you don't need to be here the entire time. If you want to come, check in, get your raffle tickets, and then check back out, that's fine. There will also be incentives in order to be able to get more tickets so you have a better chance at winning that shotgun for Four Peaks. Now, the doors are going to open at 9 a.m. and we close at 5 p.m., but the actual special event next weekend is going to be from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. We're going to be giving away raffle prizes every hour on the hour, so make sure you come and join us. We look forward to seeing you here at our fall open house here at MotoCity next Saturday. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.